Hey everyone, welcome back to Lace Up Channel. My name is Mickey. Today I'm going to give you 6 reasons why a small distributor that's unsuccessful, that's not growing, that's not making any money, continues to suck. Reason number 1. Every single small distributor that I see does not delegate any task. They spend hours keying in invoices, hours reconciling payments, hours handwriting all their inventory on a little piece of paper. I'm like, dude, when are you going to delegate some of your work to another employee? Don't you trust anyone? Then the excuse is traditionally like, I can't afford another employee. Then why the hell are you taking a 6-figure salary and focusing on these little handwritten tasks that cost $12 an hour to resolve? What you need to be doing is you need to be getting some employees that you can delegate tasks to, that they can do all these manual data entry tasks, okay? So that you can focus on what you're good at, whether it's operations or sales or marketing or whatever it may be. Reason number 2, the balance sheet sucks. Have you ever run a balance sheet that looks good? On the top, you see your income. On the bottom, you see your costs. At the end, you see your profit. Very simple, guys. Most small distributors that are really struggling, they've got no idea what their profit is. I've talked to some people that they say, oh my God, I've got a $3 million top line revenue. But when you look down the line and you take into account their inventory costs and the fact that they have a bunch of credits and the fact that they're paying their employees way too much and the fact that they want to be on vacation half the time and not managing their business, you end up finding out that the business is a loser. In order to have a successful business, you must know what your profit and loss is. It's that simple, which means in order to have an accurate profit and loss, you need to keep track of your costs. You need to adequately reconcile your payments. You need to go into your accounting system and record your expenses, including your payroll and your bills. Everything must go through your accounting system so that your profit and loss can be accurate. If you don't do this, you'll never know how much money you're truly making. You're going to be out there buying your new Corvette or Ferrari without having any idea how much money you truly have. Get your profit and loss right. It's the only way you can scale your business, and better yet, when somebody comes along down the line to acquire you, the first thing that they're going to ask for is an accurate profit and loss. And if you can't give that to them, guess what? Your business isn't worth anything. Reason number 3 is that these distributors always let their best people go. I can't tell you how many times I've known of a general manager that's grown a business from $5 million to $15 million in top line revenue, and just because the economy got bad, just because coronavirus happened, the owner of the company lets them go. Well, what the hell are you doing with all the money that you're accumulating through the good times when the bad times come? When the bad times come, you need to pony up and pay your employees, especially those that are good, because if you lose them, guess what? They're going to go to a competitor and they're going to be successful there just as successful as they were at your company. So if you're a small distributor, do not let your good people go. Treat them like royalty. Pay them, maybe in some situations, even give them equity if they're so good and they're so valuable to your business that you can't imagine life without them. Do not be stingy on your employees. That is not the place, okay, to cut back. That is not the place to save money. If anything, you need to be pouring every dollar besides what you take home. Okay, every dollar of profit of your business needs to be poured into good people. So do not let your good people go. Reason number 4. Now, I know I keep talking about this, but none of you are doing any damn marketing. I've got companies doing $1 million a year. I've got companies doing 15, 20, 30 million a year, and none of them do any content creation. Why in 2020 don't all of you have a damn YouTube channel? Get a YouTube channel, get an Instagram, post your product. Who cares if you sell a commodity? You still have a brand, you still have a service. Your service is worth something. And when your customer goes to a store or when they Google something, they're going to run across you, and there's no way they're going to pick your company if they have no brand awareness. So please, get your content creation underway as soon as possible. Point number 5. Most distributors that start making over $1 million a year, they start taking home 6 figures, they get comfortable. All of a sudden, sales don't matter. I can't tell you how many people I've called at 3 p.m. They're like, no, I've gone home for the day. Oh my goodness, your business is just now taking off. This is when you need to put your foot down on the accelerator and work your butt off to grow it as fast as possible. Now, I know this isn't everyone's goal, but it's a damn shame to the business to take your foot off the accelerator when things are going well. You should try to grow it as big as possible, but don't complain that you continue to stay small, okay, even though you don't put the work in to actually do sales and push to grow your business. Make sales a priority. Make sales goals. Make targets every single month. Don't quit on yourself and your business just because you're comfortable with that 6-figure salary. Point number 6, a lot of these distributors, they've got emotional attachments to the products they sell. They continue to sell products even though they're not profitable, even though they go bad, even though they're heavy on credits, even though they're draining these distributors of their bottom line. They continue to stick with these products because they have some kind of affiliation or some kind of loyalty to their vendor, or maybe that product is nostalgic. Look, if the product is not working, you have to kill it. You have to take it out of your warehouse and shoot it. Because if you don't, it's going to drown your business. It will serve as the anchor to the boat in the middle of the Mediterranean Ocean, drowning you to the bottom of the ocean. Please, if you have a product that's not working, just get rid of it. Cut your losses. Stop trying to push things and waste time on product that just doesn't sell. Focus your time on finding products that have demand, where you have product market fit, and the sales will take care of themselves as long as you put the work in. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed that video. I hope that you enjoyed how small distributors continue to stay small and continue to fail. And if you have any questions or any additional points, hit me down in the comments below. I'll make sure to get back to you. Apart from that, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to visit our channel and check out our content. I hope you have a great day. Take care.